Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a course inside your community classroom section. So under classroom is where people are going to see many courses from you, and I'm going to show you in my paid community. So if you look at the classroom section here, you will see these are all the courses that I have available in my $10 per month community. So you can do the same. You can go ahead and create your own course. So click here on new course and then add the course name. So let's say this is System.io PLR setup. And then you're going to write the description of this course. This course includes step-by-step training showing you how to download the PLR courses from the System.io PLR pack. Okay, and then you have option here whether you want to keep this course open for all the members or you want to lock it until they reach a certain level. Then the course is going to unlock. For example, let's say they are already at level 2, then this course will be unlocked for them. Or you can sell this course for a one-time price. So let's say $7. And then people can just go ahead and buy from the classroom section and get access to the course. Time unlock. So let's say someone just signed up and joined your community and you want this course to be unlocked for them after 10 days. So you can add here 10 days. Or you can keep it private. So if you want to give a specific members, you'll personally have to go to the members tab, select the member, and then you will have to give them access to the course, okay? But if you're new and you are creating this community for the first time, you're still growing this community, my recommendation would be to keep the course open for everyone. If you have too many courses in the classroom section, then you can use the level unlock or the buy now feature. These are the top 3 features that I use inside my community, and I recommend you do the same. And then you're going to go ahead and upload a cover. So I usually make my covers on Canva, and they should be this size. So make sure that you go to Canva, you use this size, and you create a cover for your course. As you can see here, my course covers are pretty simple. Most of them are related to the cover image, right? So if you see here my about picture, I'm pretty much using the same theme inside my classroom section as well. Well, that is not compulsory, right? It's just my personal preference. So if you want to keep everything in the same theme, then you could actually create covers like your about cover page. All right, so then you're going to go ahead and click on add, and then you can start adding the. So this is going to be the first lesson here. So let's say I'm going to call this step 1, download PLR pack. And then you can add a video below. So you can add a video from YouTube, Loom, Vimeo. You can even upload a video here. Now, if the video is shorter, you can upload it directly. If it is a long video, I recommend that you upload it elsewhere and then share the link here. Simply because longer videos take a lot of time to get uploaded, and sometimes they don't even get uploaded. They give you errors. I've tried that, so I would not recommend you upload directly longer videos. Shorter videos, like 10-15 minutes, that's okay. But longer videos, 30 minutes or an hour long video, host it somewhere else, like on YouTube or Loom, and then you share the link. You can also add links here. So for example, let's say I want them to download something. So I'm going to write it here, highlight, click on this link feature, and then paste the link here, and they will be able to download it. You can even add images here as well. Now, if you want to add extra resources like a resource link or a resource file, you want to add a transcript. If you have a video in there, you can actually have a transcript as well. Or you can also pin a post inside the course, and I'm going to show you that in a while. All right, so once you're done, you can just go ahead and click save. And then you can then create another lesson. So just click here on this three dots here and then click on add page. So this one is going to be your lesson number 2. If you want to add a folder and then have lessons inside that folder, you can do that as well. Just click here on add folder. And then let me name this folder PLR resources. And then I'm going to add pages under this resources. So if you click here, add page in folder, and now it's going to be under this folder. So this is how it's going to look like. All right, so that's how you set up a course. It's very simple, very easy, and that's why I love Skool more than anything else. All right, so let me show you how to pin a post in a specific course. So let's say I created a post or a follow-up video or feedback or something, and then I want to pin this post in a specific course page because it is related to a lesson under a course. Okay, that one. And then I'm going to post this, oops, category, general discussions, and then post. Now, you're going to click on the three dots of the post and then click on pin to course page. And now you are going to select the page inside the course. So I want this page here. I'm going to click here. And there we go. The post that I just created is now under this lesson. Okay, so this is very, very easy and it's very smooth. Skool is very easy, and the course feature is one of my favorite feature inside the Skool community. So go ahead, create your own courses and give access to your members or sell them inside your community.